ASU is one of the top schools in the world for doing research in planetary geology and has been for the last 30 years.
We're involved in 18 active space missions right now. We have people who build instruments here on campus that go to all the planets in our solar system and that look at the galaxies and the universe out beyond.
Super flares, as we call them, happen every day on young, low-mass stars, and these are the dominant hosts of the exoplanets that we think might host life. I came to ASU to build SPARCS. That's the Star Planet Activity Research CubeSat, and it is an ultraviolet telescope housed in a CubeSat about this big. This way, you can have focused satellites doing one experiment really well.
Started working on the first Hubble results at Arizona State University in 1990. When I saw the first Hubble image, I said, gee, unbelievable. So it's like a history lesson with every lesson in the same image. The James Webb Space Telescope will look back 13.5 or 13.6 billion years back in time. When we built the Giant Magellan Telescope, we'll build it for the centuries. So it would be like a 10-story building when it's all built, and it's this giant dish with these 7 25-feet mirrors that steer to whichever target you want to look at.
My group is focusing right now on finishing, building, and testing the new cameras for NASA's next rover. So the new cameras will be zoom cameras, so we'll be able to go from wide-angle stereo to super telescopic stereo.
We're building an infrared camera that's going to go on a spacecraft called the Europa Clipper. I think in 50 years, we will have put a submarine into the ocean of Europa and really tested the question, is there life in that ocean?
There could be crazy creatures of who knows what kind swimming around in the ocean of Europa. It used to be science fiction. Now it's a reasonable scientific hypothesis.
Coming from an astronomer's perspective, where we never find just one, I expect that the galaxy is teeming with life.
Learning about what's happening in our solar system and beyond is really important. A lot will be discovered in the next few decades, and it'll be because of some of the systems, techniques, and capabilities that are developed here at Arizona State.